Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to watch DramaBox series for free. So, in order to watch any DramaBox series for free, first of all, navigate to Play Store, click on the search icon, search for DramaBox, then click on DramaBox. Now, install the application if you haven't downloaded the application, or if you have installed the application, click on the update button to make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. After the update gets finished, what you'll have to do is simply open the application. So here I'm going to click on open. This will instantly open the DramaBox application. Now, in order to watch any series for free, what you'll have to do is simply click on that series. Now, this will open up that series where you can click on episodes button and choose to see all the episodes that are free. So, as you can see, there are 11 episodes that are free in this specific series. So if I choose 11, this will instantly play that series pretty easily. That means that this series is free up to 11th episodes. After the 11th episodes, it will show a small lock icon. That means that specific episode is paid. So when you click on 12, it says this much amount for this much coin. You can also choose to get membership and watch this. Now, when you click there, it will show another option that says watch ad to unlock. Watch today 0 out of 10. So you can easily unlock 10 episodes per day. So I will click on watch ad to unlock. This will instantly open an ad where it will reward me in this much seconds. So basically you'll have to watch the ad that DramaBox is showing you. And after the ad gets finished, you'll have to simply click on the cross icon at the top here that will be shown here. Click on cross. Now our reward has been granted. When you will click on episodes, it will show that the 12th episode is now unlocked. You can do the same with any one of these. So when I clicked on 13, it will show up this pop-up where I will have to just cut it out and it will show watch ad to unlock option, through which I can easily unlock that specific episode that was previously logged or it was paid. So this is the simple way to watch DramaBox series for free, that is by watching ads. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.